we are ready to go. Zhenwei Lin making his return from the injured list. His first pitch to Jesus Mate is fouled back near us, and away we go at 6:36. My third against South Bend. He punched out a season-high 7. He misses way. Went 1 for 5 with an RBI triple. Lin, Mitch batter, going from the left side. The 2-1 pitch is low. 3-1 pitch is over but low. Ball 4. Mate works in last night. First pitch taken wide, ball 1. In the sport, Mate bluffs for second. A pitch is a ball. Back to first a little late. Entertaining ball game, 5-3. Well, pitch, that one outside. Down here. Right-hander delivers. And it's down and in. A 4-pitch free pass. 14 home runs on the year. Takes low, ball 1. 4 innings, 1 hit, 1 run. He walked 1 and punched out 3. Another. No strikes on Perez. Lin. This is inside 3-0. First start back since the injury. And he just walked Perez on 4 pitches. Right. Pitch to Castillo, low, ball 1. Throw to third is late. Bill. 1-ball pitch in the dirt. Now he's back in the zone. Legitimate encouragement. 1 pitch is fouled back. 2 balls and 2. 2-2 on Castillo. The pitch is fouled back. Aces loaded, nobody out. The 2-2 is skied left field. Honeyman drifting back onto the warning track. He has room. Makes a catch just in front of the wall. Taden Hall, the batter now. First pitch swinging. He fouls back. Strike 1. Lin rests the glove belt high. The 1-strike delivery. It's high and wide. Count 1. Overall, a pleasant evening. Great crowd on hand, particularly for a Wednesday. Heater inside. It's 2-1. I've got my eye on a few. This one lined in the right. This will get down for a hit. 1 run scores. Stopping at third base is Perez. It's an RBI hit. Some havoc last night. Couple of stolen bases. Second, stole third, and then scored on throwing error. How's this one back? Way. Hall had a running lead at second. Pitch is hit on the ground to short. It's gloved by Baez, who throws it to first in time. Oh, bought an RBI, or his teammate Garcia, with an RBI and a run. 1 striker is upstairs. 1-1 delivery. Way outside. 2-1 serve. Upstairs. Right-hander's delivery. Up and in, ball 4. All the time. Arte takes ball 1. The 1-0. Strike called over the out. Leader in the clubhouse for me is Paul Konerko. White Sox jersey. White Sox fans in these parts. Liner foul. Up to the big leagues. Both runners take off. Gilarte fouls back. Then just trying to make it through the inning. 2 pitch is grounded foul. 2 on, 2 out. The 1-2 is waved on and missed. Strike 3. Lin gets out of the inning, but